Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: Which scheme was launched under the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan to provide midday meals to children in government schools? Answer A. Midday Meal Scheme. Question: The Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan primarily aims to improve which level of education in India? Answer B. Secondary education. Question: Under which scheme are scholarships provided to meritorious students from economically weaker sections for higher secondary education? Answer A. National Means Merit Scholarship Scheme. Question: The Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme focuses on which of the following aspects? Answer A. Girl child education and survival. Question: Which ministry is primarily responsible for the implementation of the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan? Answer A. Ministry of Education. Question: The midday meal scheme in India was first introduced in which year? Answer C. 1985. Question: The National Scheme of Incentive to Girls for Secondary Education, NSIGS, provides financial assistance to girls belonging to which category? Answer A. Scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Question: Operation Blackboard was an initiative launched by the Government of India to improve which aspect of education? Answer A. Infrastructure and teacher availability in primary schools. Question: The scheme Padhe Bharat Badhe Bharat aims to improve which educational aspect? Answer A. Early childhood care and education. Question: Under the Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, RUSA, funding is provided primarily to which institutions? Answer B. State higher education institutions. Question: The National Digital Literacy Mission was launched to promote digital literacy among which group? Answer B. Rural population. Question: The Right to Education Act (RTE) mandates free and compulsory education for children in which age group? Answer B. 6 to 14 years. Question: Which scheme provides financial support to scheduled caste students for pursuing professional and technical courses? Answer A. Post-Matric Scholarship Scheme. Question: The National Program for Education of Girls at Elementary Level, NPGL, is a sub-scheme of which larger scheme? Answer A. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Question: The Ishan Uday Scholarship Scheme is aimed at promoting education in which region? Answer A. Northeastern states of India. Question: Under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, which of the following is not a focus area? Answer B. Adult literacy. Question: The National Fellowship for Scheduled Caste Students supports students pursuing which level of education? Answer B. Postgraduate and PhD. Question: Vidya Lakshmi Portal is an initiative to provide what service? Answer B. Education loans for students. Question: The Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya scheme focuses on what? Answer A. Residential schools for girls belonging to disadvantaged communities. Question: which scheme was introduced to improve quality and access in technical education through public-private partnerships? Answer A. Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, TEQIP. Question: the National Bal Bhavan scheme is aimed at promoting which aspect? Answer A. Creative and cultural activities among children. Question: the Pradhan Mantri Innovative Learning Program is associated with which educational level? Answer A. School education. Question: the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan was launched in which year? Answer B. 2001. Question: under the midday meal scheme, which nutrient is commonly fortified to combat malnutrition? Answer A. Iron. Question: the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme aims to promote what? Answer A. Skill development through apprenticeships. Question: the National Talent Search Examination, NTSE, is conducted to identify talented students at which level? Answer A. Secondary level. Question: which scheme focuses on providing education to children of migrant workers? Answer A. Education for Migrant Children Scheme. Question: the National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers Holistic Advancement, NIShtha, aims at what? Answer A. Teacher training and capacity building. Question: the Eklavya Model Residential Schools scheme is designed to provide education primarily to which group? Answer A. Tribal students. Question: under the National Means Merit Scholarship Scheme, the scholarship amount is provided to students studying at which level? Answer A. Secondary school.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.